Hello, today I'll explain how to use the mobile access report feature in Vatrix POS. So for the first time access, the customer must be registered in this application. So if you are not registered, you can register now by clicking here. Now add the name, contact number and email ID, password as well. Now click on register after entering all the details here. Now click on login if you have already registered. Enter the email and password and click on login. Now you can click on the connect database option here. So you have to enter here the company ID and access code. So these details you can obtain from the Vatrix POS application. So here navigate to the user management section. Here you can either create a new user or you can use the existing one. Now I'm using this. You can click on user role. Now you can select the sales report and category wise sales report from here. Now click on save permission. Now you can click on setup button here. Now enable the mobile access. Okay, so the code is generated now. So if mobile access is not required, you can also have the option to disable it anytime. So once the setup is completed, you can access the reports through the web browser by entering the company details, company ID and access code here and click on connect. So now this will allow you to access the reports easily from your mobile or desktop.